everyone, today we will see about React. React is the most important part in a development. React is a JavaScript library used to build user interfaces, especially for web development. It is very important. It was developed by Meta and released in 2013. React is technically a library, not a full framework, but many people casually call it a framework because it can power complete applications. And React helps you to build interactive websites using reusable components. Why React was created? Before React, website reloaded the whole page. Managing UI changes was messy. Large front-end apps were hard to maintain. So React solved this by introducing company-based architecture and like virtual DOM and efficient UI updates. Okay, so React app are made up of components. A component is just a JavaScript function that returns UI. Think of components like Eligio block, like you build big apps using small reusable pieces. React uses JSX. JSX too looks like HTML, but it's actually a JavaScript. Behind the screen, it become normal JavaScript. Next is virtual DOM. React uses virtual DOM. Like instead of updating the entire real DOM, React creates a virtual copy, compare changes and updates only what change. This makes app fast. Then next is props. Props are used to pass data from one component to another. And next is state. State is used to store the data inside a component. When state changes, React automatically re-renders the component. This is why React apps feels dynamic. And the most important part in this are hooks. Like hooks were introduced later to simplify the logic, and common hooks are used like use state, use effect, use context. Hooks allows you to use state lifecycle features in functional components. React like is used by many big companies like Netflix, Instagram, etc. It is used in production. Now let's see some interesting fact about React. With React Native, you can build Android and iOS app using React concept. Same mindset, different platform. When React introduced JSX, many developers dislike it. Today, JSX is one of the React strongest and most loved feature. React constantly rank among the most demanded front-end technology worldwide. Before React, UI code was often messy and hard to reuse. React made reusable components. So now almost every modern framework follows this idea. And there are thousands of libraries built around React for the state management, UI framework, animations, etc. This ecosystem makes React extremely powerful. So this is all about React. If you know any other thing about React, then comment below. Bye bye.